What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I will be showing you how to use your GoPro as a dash cam inside of your car. So this is my GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I will be showing you as a demonstration purposes. So before we actually start guys, I just want to let you know that there are a few limitations if you use your GoPro as a dash cam inside of your car. The number one being is that you have to manually turn on and turn off the video recording when you start and stop driving. And the number two being is that you don't have endless video storage inside of your GoPro. It is limited to the resolution, according to the resolution and the size of memory card that you're using inside of your GoPro. So you should use at least 64 gigabytes of memory card, and you should limit the resolution to around 1080p so that you can get the maximum duration of your video recording as a dash cam from this GoPro. And the number three that you need to do is that you need to remove this side cover from the GoPro so that you can give the continuous power to the GoPro while using it as a dash cam. And for that purposes I use my power bank, which I keep fully charged so that I can give power to the GoPro as a dash cam. So I don't use the car charger because the power banks are a lot safer for GoPros, especially the one that I'm using. This is from Xiaomi. So let me just quickly show you guys how to mount the camera. You can see right now is I have mounted a flat GoPro mount permanently right here in the center of the windscreen. And what I do is just mount my GoPro. Just hold on guys. So I hope that you will be able to see right now. So basically what I do is I mount my GoPro inverted like this, and I set the position. So let me just take you guys back. So as you can see right now, I've mounted my GoPro in the inverted position so you can easily record the videos. And what I do is give power to the GoPro with power bank, and I keep the power bank right here. So if I just turn this on, you can see the charging has started. If I just turn this on, you can see that it will record the video. And if you just want to record the dashboard and the engine bay as well, you can do that. If you don't want, so you can easily adjust your GoPro so that it does not record your dashboard. You can just see the front. So and after that you need to tighten this lock so that it doesn't move anywhere from the position that you've set the GoPro to. So guys, another benefit with these latest GoPros is that you don't have to always turn on and turn off the camera by pressing these buttons. These have the voice controls, so you can just say GoPro start recording, and as you can see it has started recording the video, and I can easily drive the car. And when I've just stopped the car, you just have to say GoPro stop recording, and you can see it has stopped the recording. So basically guys, this is the setup which looks like this somehow, and you can see the charging. So this was pretty much it, and quick showcase how to use or how I use my GoPro as a dash cam. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So let me just quickly show you guys the actual footage that you will be getting from this GoPro. So this is the kind of footage that you will be getting from the GoPro, in which I set the GoPro in a position where it does not record my dash cam. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will be catching you in the very next one guys. Till then, take care.